Look, I think it makes a lot of sense. I think we're going to continue to see some additional potential consolidation in the industry. I think as insurers are looking to diversify across the spectrum, Centene needed some additional play in the Medicaid space as well as in the Medicare Part D plans. And so WellCare made a lot of sense for them.
I mean, it really creates one of the biggest government-funded healthcare institutions. I mean, that they're increasing exposure, as you said, to Medicaid, also to the Affordable Care Act. Is that where insurers are going? Because they were going in the opposite direction.
I think they're looking at gathering any lives that they possibly can. So whether they're in the Affordable Care Act exchanges, which I think, despite what the Trump administration attempted to do yesterday, there will not be an overruling, there will not be an elimination of the Affordable Care Act. I think they see what the House Democrats did yesterday, which was not taking steps to move toward a Medicare for all proposal or single payer proposal, but instead move towards shoring up and building on the Affordable Care Act. So if that's where things are going, a deal like this that allows exposure in the Medicaid space, as we're seeing additional lives and additional states move to Medicaid managed care, if we look at additional individuals potentially going into the Affordable Care Act exchanges, if the presidency changes hands in 2020, and as you see growth just in an aging population in Medicare, it makes a lot of sense to diversify in this way.
So Chris, with that in mind, if that is indeed the case, do you think we do see more mergers of this type coming?
I do. I think you will see some additional mergers. I think the obvious people that are up today when many of the other managed care names are down are Molina, Magellan Health. I think one that isn't up today but is always in the conversation is Humana, which has a really heavy play in the Medicare Advantage space. So if you were to see something like a Medicare buy-in, which some of the presidential candidates on the Democrat side have been proposing, maybe at age 50 or 55, that would create a whole influx of individuals into the Medicare Advantage potential market. And that would be huge for a company like Humana.